we all have listened to the World Bank's presentation. We saw those infographics. Um, Economic growth is low, 2.25% the last time MBS brought out the GDP report. Inflation is surging, 21.09% as at October. The fiscal deficit is getting worse. Our public debt, as at 3 days ago, 44 trillion naira. Debt is increasing. External reserves are declining. It oscillates around 36 to 37 billion dollars. What do you think about the macroeconomic climate in Nigeria right now, as espoused by Dr. Alex? What has changed this time around? Because perhaps it's not all bad as we think. You have, a bird's eye view of what's happening too. And what can we do in Nigeria right away to prevent the worsening macroeconomic condition? Over to you, Dr. Alade.
Thank you very much. We're not only talking about investors from outside, even within the local, the domestic investors for the people, the citizens. The first thing we should do in trying to restore that confidence is restore macroeconomic stability. That is the way to go. Yes, for any economy, the economy thrives on confidence. Any market economy is the confidence. If people don't believe that you are going to have a policy that works, and it's not only that it works today, but that your policy will also be there tomorrow, they will not have anything to do with you. So I think we should restore macroeconomic stability. And the way we will do that, Alex has already spoken about reforms. Yes, we have to do reforms. And what reforms? Urgent reforms in terms of the fiscal stance. The fiscal stance has to be consistent with fiscal solvency. And when you talk about that, you are now coming on to talk about the elephant in the room, the subsidy, making revenue available, and so on. And in terms of monetary policy, we also must have a monetary policy stance that is consistent with low inflation. If we don't have that, we will still continue to have instability in the macroeconomic environment.